Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna do a recap of projects I'm doing, and this email I got before 20 minutes. This from ASIGPT platform. I was promoting it since October 23rd. Basically in 1 month you can double your investment. You receive $2 to test it. If you like it, you can invest $20 or more. I don't know how much it will work, but if you are subscribed to my channel, you will jump on these projects as soon as I promote it, so you will have enough time to double your investment. Also, HAMSTER Bank is giving 3.33% per day. I was promoting it October 2nd, so people that jump there and that are not greedy, that invest and withdrawing every few days, will soon double their investment. Now let's pass through these platforms to see how they are working. Here I am on my phone right now. This mail from Binance I got about $658. I got it from SkAInet. As you can see, his withdrawal before half hour, so that part is still working well. In SkAInet you have two parts. That's quantify, where you can earn from 2.5 up to 5% daily, but for these high amounts you will need to have lots of referrals and at least $500. Deposit, I am right now at 3% per day, so it's working fine. Also you have this invest part where you need to lock your investment for some period. I locked $300 on these 30 days. I got 4% daily and withdraw it, and that's how I got $660. So I deposit 300 and take out 660. Now let's move to HAMSTER Bank. Here you can see I'll also withdraw this amount. Just a second to refresh it. Here you have missions where you can earn Notcoin. This list of my referrals, there's plenty of them in 3 levels. I will withdraw this. So it's important not to be greedy in projects like this. Once when you invest, you take your initial investment out or take double amount, but don't play without the end. Take your money out and then play with profit. I'm always doing it, and people complain that project lasts 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, but if you are smart, even 2 months is enough to double your investment. And just be smart. Don't be greedy, don't be without limits. Take your money out, then play as much as you want. So HAMSTER Bank is working fine, and SkAInet is working fine for now. I don't recommend investing in these two platforms too much money, because I really don't know how much it will last, but if you want to play, you can play with it. And now let's move to third project that's long term. And third project is a SkAInet system. That's long-term project where you receive about 10% per month on your investment, depending what you purchase. You need to lock your deposit for 6 months. So as you can see, I deposit here $380. When I go to dashboard, my profit on that deposit is $31. I invested end of October, so about 10% per month, and I will get my initial investment in 6 months. So this is a really long-term project made for people that want to promote. They can build a network. Leaders that I know say that they made in this project more than anywhere else, because 50% of all earnings is going back to network. There are 3 projects at the moment, and as I say, for these kind of projects is important to join at the beginning. HAMSTER Bank started before 2 months almost. People that following me already doubled their investment, so I don't recommend investing there anymore. ASIGPT, I don't know how much it will work longer. Maybe it can start tomorrow, maybe it can work half year. You can invest some small amount there. And SkAInet systems here is for people that are promoting. It's not for small investments. Here you need to invest at least 200, 300 US dollars. You need to purchase bot that cost 100 US dollars per year. So this for serious network market. And we are coming to last project, but I will put it in next video because this one already lasts for long. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.